All right. So there is a huge uproar right now when it comes to AI being used in video games. I wanted to speak about my personal experience with this topic with AI. I remembered when AI was starting to come about, I didn't believe the hype, and I was actually very skeptical of what AI meant. And to be fair, I feel like I am a very late adopter to AI. I started dabbling with Midjourney, ChatGPT, Croc, but I would never consider myself as a power user to any of these tools. And a few months ago, I also created a video where I tried out Meshy AI, which is like a 3D AI tool that creates 3D models. So if you're interested in that, go check out that video in on my channel. And yeah, it was just me exploring the free model of Meshy AI. So I think for me, the main reason why I've tried and dabbled and used some AI is I love the brainstorming aspect of it and just bouncing off ideas. It's almost like having a second partner with me to kind of help talk things through. But there's one pattern that I always end up coming back to. One reason that I, one observation that I always come back to is that no matter what it helps me create, whatever agent helps me create things, I always need to make sure I review what it's spitting out, audit it, and then I need to edit it because it feels too scripted. It feels too AI. That's becoming such a big phrase now, like, oh, that feels so AI or that looks so AI, right? And so no matter what, I always need to review it and I need to edit it. It is never the final product. So my conclusion is that at the end of the day, AI can't replace me. And it's just another tool in your toolbox. Now, I just want to say that, like, yes, I am aware of the environmental issues that AI is causing, and I know that it's horrible. So I really hope that there is a way to kind of reduce a lot of those environmental issues that it exposes. Because at the end of the day, we don't want to hurt our planet due to our tech. I know it's also hurting us as consumers because a lot of the tech components, when it comes to our computers and things like that, prices have completely skyrocketed because of the tech that is needed, the components that are needed to fund a lot of these AI data centers. But I do have a question for those who are very against AI. Are you completely not using it at all? Like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Claude. I would love to just hear like what are the main things, the reasons why you feel so negative about it. And I feel like maybe this is a controversial thing to say. I know right now I will continue to dabble because with every large advancement in technology, you need to keep up with it or else you're going to fall behind. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments and would love to have conversations about it. And I'll see you all again next time.